Thank you for checking out our video. In this video, we'll show you preparation and installation of our new Tuff Shed. We had a much smaller shed that was pretty run down, and we were considering trying to bring it back, but once we dug into it, we realized that it had major water and termite damage, so it was time for demo. We have another small shed that we use primarily for lawn equipment, yard tools, etc. But we also wanted somewhere where we could have a work area for other projects. We considered several options and ended up looking at our local Home Depot at the Tuff Shed display that they have. After deciding on our favorite and a size that we thought would suit our needs and budget, we started the process. We started working with Home Depot, but ended up working directly with Tuff Shed. They had a representative come out to our home and inspect the site where we wanted to place the new shed. From the time we agreed on our favorite design and placed the order, it was only going to be a couple of weeks, so that gave us time to ready the site. The site we picked was already pretty level, but we decided for added drainage and appearance to add some decomposed granite. Our site did need a bed of leveling on one side, and we allowed a 36-inch border on three sides of where the building was going to be. So we ordered 3 yards of decomposed granite. On the front side where the door will be is a concrete driveway already. After getting the decomposed granite spread, level, and compacted, the site was pretty much ready, and we only had a few small tree limbs to trim, as we didn't want them interfering with the roof of the new shed. We had our tentative install date, and the morning of the install, the team phoned to say that they were on their way. 5 hours after they arrived, installation was completed. The entire building comes partially assembled, and the majority of the components already had primer. As one worker started on the base, the other started unloading and staging the walls and other large components. Once unloaded, he started painting everything with the color that we had selected. After final assembly, all the nail holes were filled and another coat of paint was applied. All in all, we're very happy with our selection and the service that we received. The building that we decided to go with is the Sundance Series TR-700. It's a 10-foot by 12-foot building. One of the things that we liked is it has the 2-inch by 6-inch hot-dipped galvanized steel floor joists, 3/4-inch tongue and groove floor decking. It also has an aluminum door threshold, composite shingles. We also opted for a full-length workbench on the back wall for when we're working on little projects and things like that and need a workbench. We also had the 2 vents and 2 windows added as well. So that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would also appreciate your comments, questions, and a thumbs up if you like what you see. Thanks.